Hey, it's Randy at Mountain Earth Farms. Alright, we're cutting some cedar today. My sister-in-law that gave us that bench that we redone.
That she wants back now.
She wants back, but we ain't giving it to her. But she's got a swing, and the bottom of it kind of rotting out, so she's wanting to put the cedar in that bottom of that swing, so I'm cutting her some boards for that.
Yeah.
So we'll get them cut up.
Now, what's the length and
Well, it needs to be 59 inches
59 inches
on
in
for the
length?
bottom, and then 2 foot for the top. Bottom's gonna run this way, and the top's gonna run this way.
Oh, I thought it was going to run just like the bench, like just like straight this way, this way.
Uh-uh.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna be 2 different ways.
And it's all going to be cedar?
All gonna be cedar.
And how thick?
I'm probably gonna cut them 1 inch because they'll be 59 inches, so they'll be strong enough.
Yeah.
But
That way, if she's got a bunch of kids, she don't have to worry about it. And she does have 6 granddaughters, so
yeah,
a bunch of them sitting on it. They don't have to worry about any of them breaking or nothing.
yeah.
Now, are you going to stain them for her and sand them? No.
I'm cutting her the boards. If she wants to bring me a swing, I don't care to put it together. But
Right. I doubt if she'll bring you the swing. It's up at her property, her lake property. She's pretty
and I
ingenious.
can't do it from. I can't take everything up there. And do it.
Yeah. She's pretty ingenious. She just can't cut the 1-inch boards.
Yeah, she'll figure it out.
Yeah. So you've got it almost down to a cant.
Yeah,
You got what, one more side? Yeah.
yeah. One more side, and cut some boards.
And you cut some boards. Hey, Randy. When you're looking at this, that top one, it looks unlevel. Is it just because that one's got a corner took off?
Yeah, that one's got a corner took off.
Okay, so log is actually longer than what she needs?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay. I'm just making sure.
yeah. It's probably about 8 inches longer than what she needs.
All right. It just looked weird in the on the camera.
Yeah. It's just where it's got that corner on.
Okay.
7/8. That's the bottom. I'm going to cut a 2-inch board that'll go on the back side so she can screw her. One's going down like this to that board.
Okay.
Let me get my water hose.
That's going to be pretty, some pretty cedar. Hello, Romeo. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. Now, are you going to cut them down any more, or is she going to leave them wide?
Wide.
She's going to leave them wide. Okay. Because I know ours is like 2-inch strippings.
No, these are about 6-inch. 6-inch wide.
Okay. They are going to be beautiful. I mean, and she could just put a sealer,
Yeah.
just a good
That
polyurethane.
stuff we use on them is really good.
Right. Well, it's up at our lake property, so it's going to have to be something that can withstand water and.
Yeah, that Memwax stuff.
Now, what about teak oil? Teak
You
oil.
put teak oil on it, but it'll turn it darker.
Right. That is going to be pretty. So now you just.
Then I need to get a 2-foot section, which I've got some laying over there where I need to get the backs.
Right. So they're going to be about the same width, just
Yeah, be 6-inch.
6-inch.
She run it like she'll run the bottom ones like this, and then the top ones like this. So it'll be
Cool.
2 different ones.
Do you need to? What are you doing with that section?
I'm gonna cut that tube or two out of it so to have her something to really bounce into.
Right. Well, I thought you had another board cut there.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. That's why I was wondering. I thought, well, you still got one more board. You didn't move. That is so pretty. I don't know. We may not take them to her. I may have to charge her for this. What should I charge my sister for this? Y'all give us some input. How much should we charge her for this beautiful cedar?
It'll be free.
Yeah, we do a whole lot for family. Family and friends, we love them. Yeah, we're not in this world to make money. We're just here to make a living.
Hopefully it'll hold.
It should. Do you need me to hold on the end?
No.
So the wobble was just where the bracing.
Yeah, we're just having a hard time holding that little junk.
Right. So this is going to be like the wooden sties across the back to
It'll just be for something for it to screw to.
support.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like this will, say if this is the back of the bench, this will go like right here and their uprights can screw into it.
Okay. Yeah, because this is the kind of a swing that had that netting.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like the swings you get with the little umbrella across the top. That's what this was. And what are you going to do with that?
Don't know yet.
Too pretty to get rid
It'll
of.
go in the maybe pile.
A maybe pile. This pile over here is the pile when he says, oh, I need a cedar board. Oh, I need a 2x6. Oh, I just need a little flat piece, but it needs to be pine. So that's the pile that it's a maybe, you'll use sooner or later. Oh, I need another 2x4. I've got an extra 2x4. We all need those maybe piles.
Extra lumber laying around.
Yeah. Now, have you picked out the log you're going to do for the 2-foot ones?
Yeah, it's right behind you.
It's right behind. Where? Show me which one. Cool. Well, just pick it up, carry it over to the mill.
I will with my tractor.
No. I don't understand you, dear. You're supposed to be able to be a He-Man.
Nope.
Well, you know, 40 years ago, you would have done it just to impress me.
I know it. Well, I'm going to take these up there and stack them.
All right. Well, we're just showing you what we're doing today. We've got company in, and we had already met with a client this morning, so we knew we had to get this done. So just showing you the cedar. And Nina, this is your cedar. This is for my sister Nina. I have 2 sisters, Nina and Tina.
They probably don't watch our YouTube.
They probably don't, but they will now. going to take that up, stack it up. We'll probably deliver it tomorrow because we're going to be in her area tomorrow. And then he'll pick up that other log and cut the 2-foot section just like he did that. So that is our morning. Beautiful Saturday morning. Rain has finally quit. We've had a week of rain. Our yard is growing like crazy. Our garden is going like crazy. Typical East Tennessee weather. Typical. So, well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love your comments and suggestions. We love hearing from you. Well, remember, as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.